Hi all. Today we are discussing about the least square curve fitting method. This method is used to find the slope and intercept using Python program. Here and it have so many applications are there. Here we are discussing about the least square curve fitting and also determine the value of force needed to pull a load L equal to 150 kilogram. Here we can see that there are some data are there. Force 12, 15, 21, 25, 29, and corresponding L values are 50, 70, 100, 120 and 140. So we have to determine the value of force corresponding to the value of L equal to 150 kilogram. It can accessed by the easily accessed by the least square curve fitting method. So now we are discussing about the theory of least square fit. The least square method is probably the most symmetric procedure to fit a curve through the given data points. It is widely used to practical computations and can easily implemented on a digital computer. It can easily accessed by the Python coding. And let the data points be xi yi equal to xi yi I equal to 1 2 3, and let the curve given by y equal to f of x to be fitted to be this data. That is the f of x is fitted to the data points xi yi at x equal to xi. The experimental value of coordinate is yi and the corresponding value of fitting curve is f of xi. If ei is the error of approximation at x equal to xi, then we have ei equal to yi minus f of x, s equal to y1 minus f of x1 whole square plus y2 minus f of x2 whole square plus etc plus ym minus f of xm whole square. That is it can rewritten as e1 square plus e2 square plus etc square em square. Then the method of least square consists of minimizing s, that is the sum of least square of the error. That is in this method the in this least square method we are minimizing the s, that is that are discussing below. How to fit a straight line through given data points. That is, if y equal to a0 plus a1x be the straight line to be fitted on the given data, then s equal to y1 minus a0 plus a1x1 whole square plus y2 minus a0 plus a1x2 whole square plus ym plus a0 plus a1xm whole square. So for s to be minimum, that is dos by dos a0 to be found, then we get the equation ma0 plus a1 into x1 plus x2 plus etc plus xm equal to y1 plus y2 plus etc plus ym up to ym. Then a0 equal to a0 into x1 plus x2 plus etc plus xm plus a1 into x1 square plus x2 square plus xm square equal to x1 y1 plus x2 y2 plus xm ym. It can be simplified from the derivative of dou s by dou a0, that is the derivative of a0. Then that is the derivative of s. From the dou s by dou a0 we can rewritten as the two equations. More comparatively, the above two equations can be rearranged and rewritten as ma0 plus a1 sigma of xi sum of xi equal to sum of yi, and a0 sum of xi plus a1 sum of xi square equal to sum of xi yi. These equations are called normal equations, and it can solved for a0 and a1 and xi and yi, and it can be solved for a0 and a1 since xi and yi are known quantities. That is, if we know the xi and yi values, we can find the value of a0 and a1. The a1 equal to m sigma xi yi minus sigma xi sigma yi by m into sigma xi square minus sigma xi whole square, and a0 equal to mean of y minus a1 mean of x. So we can easily find the value of a0 and a1 by known values of xi and yi, which is show that the fitted straight line passes through the centroid of the data points. It's all about the theory, and then we are discussing about the algorithm of this program. First step is start, then read the number of data points and sum of x value p equal to 0, sum of y value q 0 q, sum of x square values, and then sum of xi values for I equal to 1 to n do, and read the pair xi yi, then p plus xi equal to p, q plus yi equal to q, r plus xi square equal to r, s plus xi yi equal to s, and for pq minus ns by p square minus nr equal to m. This is the equations for m, and the equations for c, that m for slope and c for the y-intercept, that is the equations for c is ps minus qr by p square minus nr, and print m and c. That is the in this experiment we have to find the y-intercept and slope. The equations for y-intercept and slope are given, then print m and c, plot the x and y value. Our main aim is to determine the value of value of f corresponding the value of L equal to 150 degree, 150 kilogram. So we have to the some rearrangement in this program, that is read set. We implemented a new variable set, and solution equal to m set plus c, print the corresponding value of y, and we can get the solution and end the program. From the algorithm we can easily understood the program from Pylab ImportStar, that is the Python programs are doing in the Pylab for plotting the graph or curve. First step, n equal to input, enter the number of xy pair, that is enter the x and y pairs number, print enter present the xy pairs percentage n, then xy input of for I in range of n, that is I varies from 1 to n, and x equal to float x I0 for I in range of n, y equal to float x I1 for I in range of n, sum x equal to sum of x, sum y equal to sum of y, sum xy equal to sum xi yi for I in range of n, sum x square equal to sum I star I for I in x, then that is n star sum x square minus sum x into sum x, m equal to n star sum xy minus sum x into sum y by float, then c equal to mean of y minus m into mean of x, print the slope m, float m, y-intercept c. That is here we put the equations of sum x, sum y, and m and c, and print the slope and y-intercept. that is the MNC. Then equation for dx equal to max of x minus min of x by float n. Here we put the float n for the float n, otherwise we put 1.0 or 2.0. The float n is used for the decimal system. Then dy equal to max of y minus min of y by float n. Similarly to the equation for x, x is min of x minus dx, max of x plus dx, min of y minus dy, and max of y plus dy, and put the title as least square curve fitting, and also put x label equal to x axis, y label equal to y axis for in range of n. Plot xi yi b. Then we get the plot y1 equal to then we get the when we get the plot of the curve, then y1 equal to m star xi plus c for I in range of n, to find the value of y. Plot xy1 z equal to input of value of x, solution m star z plus c. Here this step is for to find the value of force corresponding value of L equal to 150 degree, and print the corresponding value for the force. Then we can easily get the solution for a value of force. The output is given. Enter the number of xy pair, that is here the 5 pairs are there, that enter in one by one, 50, 12, 17, 15, 100, 21, 120, 25, 140, 29. Then the slope m is accessed by the Python program, and y-intercept also. Then the value of x equal to 150. The corresponding value of y is 30.733 something. It can be found from the least square fit method, and the output curve is given. It's all about my topic. Thank you.